I guess I'll do a brief overview of dishwashing. Up here, you'll see some squeegees for cleaning up the surface counters once you're done. You've got sponges for doing the pre-scrubs before they go in the dishwasher. We try to put everything in the dishwasher so everything is sanitized. There are a few things that won't go, very large pots and very large cutting boards. I actually take these sponges at the end, the last tray that I put through the dishwasher is I'll put these sponges through to sanitize. So what I'll do is I'll drop sponges like this. Now if you just leave them like that, they're just going to come flying out when the water is sprayed on them. So then what I usually do, we'll take a basket. I'm going to grab this one because it's close by. But I take the plastic baskets and I put it upside down. And now you see the sponges can kind of move around in there but still get sprayed and sanitized. So that is just a little hint. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and pretend that the dishwasher is 150, so I can show you a cycle. And then I'll run them through again when it actually is 150. So now I'm going to assume the dishwasher is ready, and I'm going to open the door. You'll notice that both sides opens when you do that, the dirty and the clean side. I'm going to slide these in. They have to be far enough in, so of course you can close the door. Now you probably can hear that. That's the dishwasher running. And both sides will close. The dishwasher will run for about 30 seconds. If you note the front, it should say 152, but it will also say wash. While the dishes are washing, you can hear the water moving through and being sprayed. After the wash cycle, it'll become quieter and it will turn into a rinse cycle. Okay, you hear the water is stopped, and now we've entered a rinse cycle. Also, up here you can see that's the sanitizer, and the sanitizer has a little light that says it's rinsing, and it's dispensing the sanitizing agent, which is what kills germs. And as soon as that is done, and down on the front it no longer says rinse, we can open it up. Be careful, it's hot. Pull the tray out. You'll want to dump. Water will have deposited on the mugs, and you'll want to dump them out. And at this point, if we had a second tray here, we could simply take the hot mugs out and pack them into the storage tray. So that's pretty much how one would run the dishes. At the end of your cleaning, when you're completely done, you're going to turn the dishwasher off by pushing that switch down. You notice that it turns off, and we're going to come in here and we're going to open the fill lever again. That's going to drain so that the next person who uses the dishwasher, it's so that it'll be ready to go. Again, we're going to take the strainer out and we're going to go ahead and rinse it under the faucet so it's nice and clean. And we're going to replace it. The other thing you should do is just do an eyeball. Make sure that the sprayers are working, that nothing's jammed. Come up here. There's a sprayer up here too. Everything looks good. And the final thing you'll want to do is to get a water pitcher. Fill it up with water. And just rinse in case food particles were lodged anywhere. And at this point, you're done, and the dishwasher is left open to air dry, and it is ready for the next person. All right, have fun.